Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the All India Bar Examination, 16th cohort 2021, and whose exam is going to be held on 31st October 2021. Yes, anyone can unmute and read what I posted on the screen.
Sir, namaskar. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Vanakkam. Haberija Asubi. Edgar Dale's cone of experience. People generally remember learning activities. 10% of what they read, 20% of what they hear, 30% of what they see, 50% of what they see and hear, 70% of what they say and write, 90% of what they do. Sir, triangle, sir, here. Read, hear, view, image, which videos, attend exhibits and virtual sites, watch a demonstration, participation in hands-on workshops, design, collaborate lessons, simulate,
Yes.
model, or experience a lesson, design, virtual perform a presentation. I code, do the real thing, I uncode. People are able to learning outcomes, define, list, describe, explain, demonstrate, apply, practice, analyze, define, create, evaluate. Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
The purpose of my showing this one is, I told you already. If you just, no, sir, we are watching your YouTube, sir. I told them, please. If you are watching YouTube, how much you get it percentage? 30% what they see, you get. That is the view image plus watch video. But if you participate it, how much you get? 70% you will get.
70%, sir.
Participate in hands-on workshops or design collaborations or lessons, 70% that you will get it. But what I am going to get it, I am going to get it 90%. So I told you already, I am a selfish man. That's why I'm teaching you. Because my selfishness also there. Because I'm getting 90%, because I am platform, making, presentation, do the real things that I am doing over here. So my benefit is more, that's why I teach. But your benefit also there, that's why you should listen. It is reciprocal in nature. That is what I want to say to you. No, sir, I'm watching your YouTube, sir. You man, you will get only 30% watching my YouTube. But you participate, you know you will get 70%. That's my point. Okay, let us come to our point. All India examination, that is All India Bar. All India Bar Examination. IB, not All India Examination. All India Bar Examination, 16th Core 2021 review, and it is the fourth online class on 27/10/2021. But yesterday class, it is a bad luck that I could not make it out because there is a snag, there is a technical default would be there because of the various other reasons. Okay, behind every man is a good woman. Behind every good woman is a good lawyer. Of course, an advocate. That is what I mean is. Yes, compiled by the Professor Dr. Muhammad Saib Hussain. Now, the first question goes in this manner. As per the dash of Advocates Act, any rule with regard to the standard of the professional conduct and etiquette to be observed by the advocates requires the approval of the dash. A. Section 47 and Attorney General of India. B. Section 48, Advocate General. C. Section 49, Chief Justice of India. D. Section 49, Solicitor General of India. Which is the appropriate answer among the A, B, C, D? Shoot up. Even though it is wrong, there is no negative marks. Yes. I believe that you are hearing me, isn't it?
Now we are hearing, sir.
Then why you are keeping quiet? I say shoot up, even though it is wrong. There is no minus marks.
Yes, sir.
In spite of all my laments, nobody is giving the answer. The right answer is Section 49, and Chief Justice of India. As per the Section 49 of the Advocates Act, any rule with regard to the standard of the professional conduct and etiquette to be observed by the advocates require the approval of the Chief Justice of India. Next question is 2. A violation of the rule will invite misconduct proceedings against the errant advocate. The rule, however, states that healthy and bona fide criticism made in good faith will not be treated as dash misdemeanor, misdemeanor, misconduct, mistake.
Sir, misconduct, sir.
It is a
See,
misconduct. It is a misconduct. See the right answer. See, even though it is a wrong, you have to give the answer to me. Otherwise, I will be in the impression that you are not hearing me and my sound is not reaching you. So that was the idea comes to me. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. At least your sixth sense, how far that you trained, how far your brain trained will come out, because even myself also could not know the 100 questions what is going to be asked in the your examination. So I also shoot it. Suppose in the out of shoot 10, I may get at least 6, because I know the various schemes, various mnemonics, various equations. Then I can come to the conclusion out of 10 I can score 6 to 7, and that is the way, and I'm sure that you will score at least 5, provided if you are participating in my class. Okay, third question. Dash is the dash Attorney General of India who was succeeded by the K.K. Venugopal. He is a senior advocate at the Supreme Court of and has earlier served as the Additional Solicitor General of India. Now you tell me, is it Mukul Rohatgi and 12th in the number, or the B Mukul Rastogi and 13th, C Mukul Rohatgi and 14th, and D Mukul Roshan and 15th? Who is the present Attorney General of India? Sir, we don't know. Earlier in the place of the K.K. Venugopal, who has come? Even though shoot, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. Yes, anyone?
D, sir. Mukul Roshan,
Said
15th, sir.
C. I think C. Kumbha Ramesh told. Who said C? C is the right answer.
C, sir.
Mukul Rohatgi and 14th is 14th. Mukul Rohatgi is the 14th Attorney General of India. See, even Bahubali is not there, otherwise you would have to shoot it. Of course, even Sandhya also keeping quiet, otherwise you should also shoot it. Okay, now comes to the point. Fourth question is, in dash, the Supreme Court said that the object of this legislation was to facilitate and promote the international trade by the providing for a speedy settlement of the disputes arising in trade through arbitration. It was stated that ordinarily, as a rule, as an arbitrator has no authority to clothe himself with the power to decide the question of his own jurisdiction unless the party expressly conferred such a power on him. So, in which case law, the whole statement or principle is decided. A. Kairan India Limited. B. Renu Sagar Power. D. C. Arolia Redirjia Eugen. And D. Uttar Haryana Bijli Vikram Nigam versus Mrs. PM Electronics Limited. Which one is the correct answer for the above statement? Shoot. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You don't lose the marks. You don't lose the marks.
Sir, B, sir.
It is a B. Renu Sagar Power Company Limited versus General Electric, where it is decided the above statement. Next question. Fifth, the laws or rules chosen by the parties would prevail. Any provision of the part 1 specifically excluded will not apply. The present judgment enabled the aggrieved party in foreign arbitration to apply for interim relief in India was decided in the case of A. Hindustan Zinc Limited, B. Bhatia International, C. Noye, Valesina, Ignar, Spa, Kesla, that is versus Jindal Drugs Limited, and D. Videocon Industry Limited versus Union of India and another.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hindustan Zinc Limited.
No.
Sir, see, sir, Naya Vallisina Engineers.
No.
D, sir, Videocon.
It is a
Industries.
Videocon case law. It is decided in that way. Videocon Industry Limited versus Union of India and another. It is decided in that manner. Okay, now the sixth question. These are all you have to shoot out because they are the decisions you are given over there. And they asked in which case law the decision is given. Pushpa, Lata, do you want to speak? Because you kept it open your microphone. Please mute it. Okay. It was held by the three judges bench of the Supreme Court that the order of the Chief Justice in case of appointment of the arbitrators in case of the domestic arbitration and that of the Chief Justice of India is an international commercial arbitration within parentheses. This is made under the Section 11 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act shall be deemed to have been made in his administrative capacity, and aggrieved party could approach the arbitral tribunal under the Section 16 for challenging the jurisdictional of the tribunal was decided in the case of A. ONGC versus Saw Pipes, B. Tata Switchgear Limited versus Tata Finance Limited, C. Konkan Railway Corporation Limited versus Mehul Construction Company, D. Ador Samia Private Limited versus PK Holding Limited and others. Which one is the right answer among the A, B, C, D? Shoot which one is right. The decision taken in the above, the Supreme Court has made, where the Section 11 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act was also discussed in that case law. Shoot, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You don't lose the marks.
C, sir, Konkan Railways
It
Corporation.
is a Konkan Railway Corporation Limited versus Mehul Construction Company. Before I could finish it, you have to use your sixth sense and you have to shoot it. So that way you can train your brain, which will be the right answer. You will get it. If you keep quiet, your mind will not trained, and you lose it. So that's my point. So shoot it. That's why I said there is no negative marks. If the negative marks are there, I don't think the 10% result also comes out. 10% results also comes out if there is a negative marks. Of course, our country is a very nice country where the 40 marks is given over there for this qualifying. But in other country, they will keep the ceiling every year by the, like bar council. There also in other country there is some council is there. They say this year ceiling is 80 marks. This year ceiling is 85 marks. Means only 85 above who will qualify, their names will be qualified and they will be taken as a oath. Okay, let us come to the next case law. Even if there exists an arbitration clause in an agreement and a complaint is made by the consumer in relation to certain deficiency of service, then the existence of an arbitration clause will not be bar to the entertainment of the complaint by the redressal agency constituted under the Consumer Protection Act. Since the remedy provided under the Act is in addition to the provisions of any other law for the time being in force, was decided in the case of, even though there is a Consumer Protection Act is there, but still the arbitration acts will work over there. So which is decided in the case law? Sky Park Courier Limited versus Tata Chemical Limited. B. Rajesh Kumar Agrawal versus Tulsi Electronics and others. C. Mrs. National Seeds Corporation Limited versus M. Madhusudan Reddy and others. And D. Jatinder Pal Singh versus Mrs. B. G. Biltech.
Sir, yes, sir, Skypack.
It is a Skypack Courier Limited versus Tata Chemical Limited. There it is decided. Next, another case law is, it was held that the phrase, which is the subject of an arbitration agreement, which is the subject of an arbitration agreement, does not in the context necessarily require that the agreement must be already in existence before the action is brought in the court. The phrase also connotes an arbitration agreement being brought into the existence while the action is pending, decided in the case of arbitration agreement. The discussion is made in that case law. A. Branch manager New Delhi versus SV Engineering Constructions. B. The branch manager the New India versus SV Engineering Construction. And of course, there I repeated two. Only three choices are there. Kirti Kumar, Fakirchand Mehta versus Dilip Kumar Jayanti Lal, and the D. P. Anand Gajpati Raju and others versus PVG Raju and others. Now you have to choose only among the three because the two I repeated. I was the impression that it is a different case law.
Sir, B, sir, B.
No. It's the P. Another Gajpati Raju and others versus PVG Raju and others. So please don't check in the smartphone, even though you are use your brain and shoot it. Because if you want to check it in the smartphone and give the answer, you will become a parasite. 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 Okay, next. Ninth, the issue in the case of Dash was whether under Section 9 of the 1996 Act, the court has jurisdiction to pass interim orders even before the arbitral proceedings have commenced and before the arbitrator is appointed. The Indian Arbitration Act borrows heavily from the Unicitral model law. In which case law it is decided? A. Escorts Finance Limited case law. B. Mrs. Sri Swaminathan Construction case law. C. Sundaram Finance Limited case law. D. Mrs. Sri Ank Finhold Private Limited case law.
See, sir, Sundaram Finance.
It is finance. Yes, you're right, Dr. Saab. I appreciate. I don't know whether you use the sixth sense and what sense or what mechanism, what equation that you used it, but you have shooten the right at the bull's eye. Sundaram Finance Limited versus NEPC India Limited. That's why I told you before I finish the four options, you should shoot it because anyway that you are not going to know which is the right answer. But at least your sixth sense will guide you, your equation will guide you, your mechanism will guide you, your mnemonics will guide you, which is the right answer. Next comes to the 10th question. The Supreme Court held that in the case of Dash, the enforcement of the foreign awards need not be restricted to grounds under Section 45, which were narrower, but can also be challenged on the grounds of domestic public policy in India under Section 34 of the Act. Prior to this judgment, the judicial position was that Part 1 of the Act applies only to the domestic awards and Part 2 applies to the foreign awards. But after this judgment, the limit is broken. Yes, number A. LJ Leach and Company Limited, and B. Venture Global Engineering, and C. Prigonda Hangonda Patil Kesla, D. Central Inland Water Transport Corporation Limited and others case law, which is the exact case law where the part 1, part 2, the bridge is
Sir, D,
broken.
sir.
Yes.
D, sir.
It is B. You are right, Narendra Raju. Narendra Raju, can you tell me how could you thought that that will be the right answer? Please give me the answer so that that will be a benefit to the other people. Please.
Sir, I just remember, sir.
Pardon?
Just to remember, sir.
No, what method that you used it to shoot it?
No, sir, some words, if I heard some words, sir, then I recollect them, sir.
Yes. Please share your views to the other candidates so that they also develop the same scheme what you have developed. Of course, not necessarily the same scheme should be used over there. Any scheme would be used over there, but anyway that you are not going to get the answer for this one, right? But you can use your sixth sense and you can shoot the right answer that as you shooted just now. Okay, now the right answer is Venture Global Engineering versus Satyam Computers Service Limited. There it is decided. Now, next question, 11th. It was held by the Supreme Court in the case of Dash that when the court is called upon to decide the objections raised by the party against an award, and jurisdiction of the court is limited, as expressly indicated in the act, and it has no jurisdiction to sit in appeal and examine the correctness of the award on merits. So this principle is held in the A. NV Hashem Reddy and other company. B. Union of India versus Mr. Arctic India. And C. Puri Construction Company versus Union of India. D. Zuari Cement Limited versus Indian Cement Limited. In which case slide is decided? Shoot.
C, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me, Pushpalata, what method that you used it? Right answer is Puri Construction Company versus Union of India. Please share your secret with the other participant so that they could be aware and use sometimes such a equation. Yes, please share.
Sir, I read this in previous question paper, sir.
Okay. So that is the reason what you have to do is you have to read the old question paper.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
It will not be repeated. It doesn't mean that it will not be repeated. It will be repeated. Okay. Next, in the case of Dash, it was held that the judge has to apply the proper law for the parties by putting mute. I am getting the sound. The proper law for the parties by putting himself in the place of a reasonable man. There, who is a reasonable man is questioned over there, and who is the reasonable man, because when there is no such a provisions are given over there. Okay, let us come. He has to determine the intention of the parties by asking himself how just and reasonable person would have regarded the problem. It has been held that where the parties have not expressly or impliedly selected the proper law, the court imputes an intention by applying the objective test to determine. The judge has to apply the proper law for the parties by putting himself in the place of a reasonable man. So, which case slide is decided? A. Bharat Aluminum Company Limited case law. B. National Thermal Power Corporation case law. C. Future Radial Retail Limited case law.
Sir,
D.
B, sir.
Nuts India Limited case law.
B, sir.
Yes, B. National Thermal Power Corporation versus Singer Company case law. It is given when the provisions are not silent over there, then the reasonableness could be used over there. Can you share your views, please, with our participants? How did you know that is the right answer?
Sir, just I remember, sir. No
No,
sequence,
your
sir.
technique of remembrance. I want to know.
Some words will be attractors, sir. Some words will attract us, sir. That's why I remember, sir.
The judgment
Which words,
which
sir?
is
Which words is attracted, sir?
Singer company attracted, sir. Singer is
okay. Now I got the point.
machine, no, sir.
See, the Singer company is a machine which is a sieving machine. It will be there like Usha. So where the reasonable man would be used over there, perhaps you thought that Singer might be the right answer. That's why you clicked it. Okay, this is also because generally the examiner will ask such a questions which will be highlighted, decided and highlighted, landmark judgments only. Okay, next comes to now the judgments are over. Now the 13th question, which section of the CPC defines order? Section 2, subsection 11, section 2, 12, section 2, 14, none of the above. Yes?
None of the above, sir.
Then which is the right answer?
Sir, section 2 of 12.
Section 212 is the right answer. I want to confuse it. I want to see, because first time I used none of the above here. I am sure that definitely you will say none of the above. See, I can play the pulse with the students, because none of the above, if I write in the beginning, definitely they thought that none of the above are right. Again, the none of the above is given over there. That I would like to check it. The compounding an offense. The compounding an offense under section 320 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. So,
Can only be done after obtaining the permission from the court.
Okay. So which one is the right answer here?
A, sir.
No, it is none of the above. See, this is the playing with the students. This is none of the above. It is not compounding offense under section 320 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 will not touch with all the things. That's where our answer is none of the above. Now the 14th question, again none of the above. Let me check it. What is the answer? Section 2, subsection 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure defines A, judgment, B, award, C, decree, D, none of the above.
A judgment,
No,
Sir, C, decree.
decree is the right word. In the, especially in the civil procedure, we don't say the judgments. It's only, generally we will say money suits are concerned, we will say the decree only. Or if it is consumer protection is concerned, we can say award. If it is arbitration is concerned, we will say award. But we don't say judgment, we don't say other things. Okay, please keep in mind. Okay, 15th question. What are the main features of the Code of Civil Procedure 1998? Which one is odd one?
sir,
Oh,
A, sir.
yes.
Warrant, sir.
There is no
A
warrants
warrant.
in the CPC. Only summons are there. I appreciate. And there is no warrants, only summons are there. And next question is, yes, because I don't want to see the feedback. Okay, that's why I'm trying a lot. Okay, which is the exact sequence in the main feature of the Code of Civil Procedure 1998? I say sequence. A, plaint, written statement, summons, framing of issues, hearings and trials and judgment and decree. B, plaints, summons, framing of issues, written statements, hearings and trials and judgment and decree. C, plaints, summons, written statement, framing of issues, hearings and trials, judgment and decrees. D, summons, plaints, written statement, framing of issues, hearings and trials,
Sir, D,
judgment
sir.
and decree. Yes,
D, sir.
give the answer. Professor Hussain will not give like that. Professor
Summons,
Hussain.
summons, plaint, written statement, framing of issues, hearing and trial, judgment and decree, sir.
No.
Sir, C, sir.
Ah,
C, sir.
appreciate. First plaint is there. Next summons are there. Next written statement where the set of counterclaim and new facts are there. Then the framing of issues are there. And the hearing and trial is there. Later the judgment and decree is there. But the first decree will come, next the judgment will come. Is it not? Or which will come first? Okay, that you check it, subject to the correction. Okay, next comes the 17th question. Dash of the Code of Civil Procedure deals with the jurisdiction of the civil courts in India. It declares that the court shall have the jurisdiction to try all suits of civil nature, accepting suits for which there are cognizance is either expressly or impliedly barred. Section 7, A, B, Section 8, C, Section 9, D, Section 9, capital A.
C, sir.
It is a C. It is not D, Section 9, capital A. Okay, next question is 18th. Order 18, Rule 1 of CPC prescribes dash the recording of the evidence wherein the plaintiff would lead evidence first, but the defendant may be permitted to lead evidence if after having
Right to summon, sir.
facts pleaded by the plaintiff, so he so seeks to do. A,
Right to summon.
start. B, right to begin. C, right to summon. D, right to motion. No
Right
one
to
can
summon.
make such a question. It is Professor Hussain. Kind these questions. You don't find this question in any book or in any other old question papers. Of course, if anyone comes in the question paper, then I am very much fortunate.
C, right.
The right answer is B, right to begin. The right answer is Right to start, no. Right to begin is there. There is no meaning of right to summon because the context will not ask it. There is no context of the right to motion. It's the right to begin is the right answer. Okay. 19th question, section 72 of the CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, come under which chapter? A, chapter 4, B, chapter 5, C, chapter 6,
Sir, yes, sir.
D.
Chapter 4.
No,
Sir, chapter 5, sir.
no,
C.
it is a C, chapter 6.
Sir, 6, sir. 6, sir.
Yes,
6.
it is C, chapter 6, where it comes over there. Okay, now let us see this thing. 20. Can anyone unmute and read what is the 20 question?
The 28th, sir, dash can proceed under section 340 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and hold a preliminary inquiry. A. 1, sir, civil court. 2, revenue court. 3, criminal court. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 3 and 1. D. 1, 2 and 3.
Shoot. Even though it is wrong, no negative marks. No
3
minus
and 1.
marks.
Sir, B, sir,
C,
2
sir.
and 3. B, 2 and
No.
3.
C.
D, sir,
No.
D.
It's a D
Yes,
answer.
sir.
1, 2, and 3.
3.
The D is the
Okay.
answer. Even civil code or revenue code, criminal code. Okay, next question. 21. Under section 340 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the court can, number 1, move suo motu. 2, not to move suo motu. 3, move on the application made by the stranger. 4, move on the application made by one of the parties. A, 1 and 3. B, 1, 3 and 4. C, 1 and 4. D, 2, 3 and 4.
Sir, 1, 3 and 4, sir.
It is
B,
1 and
B.
4.
It is B. What you said, Narendra Reddy is Raju is right. B, 1, 3, and 4 is correct. That the B is correct. 1, 3, and 4 is correct. So now on to the next one. A judgment. 22nd question. A judgment. A, should not contain the name of the victim in the case of sexual offences. B, includes an order of the discharge. C, must be written in the language understood by the accused. D, in the case of the acquittal, need not direct the accused to be set free.
Yes, sir, A.
It is a Nirbhaya case. There is no victim name. I don't know why you are taking that much time to give the answer. Immediately you have to give the answer. Okay, now the A is should not contain the name of the victim in the case of sexual offences because that is a very sensitive matter. Okay, now next question is
C,
who
sir.
is the victim of Nirbhaya case? Deepika
C,
Singh,
Jyoti Singh, sir.
Ujjwal Singh.
C.
Yes, I appreciate Narendra Raju without my reading. Before I could read the four multiple choice question that he gave the answer. That is a Jyoti Singh. Okay, feedback. The victim, 20-year-old woman Jyoti Singh, and whether she is having the girl friend or boyfriend with her.
Boyfriend, sir. Boyfriend.
Boyfriend, what is his name?
Singh, sir. I think so. His name is.
He's a married, having the 2 children. Yeah, and her male friend were returning home on the night of the 16th December 2012 after watching the film Life of P. Life of P, that is the movie name, in Saket, that is the place, and South Delhi. They boarded the bus at Munirka, and going toward the Dwaraka at about 9:30 p.m. Avindra Pandey, the boyfriend name is the name of the Nirbhaya's boyfriend. He is working in a software company and currently settled outside India. He is married and has 2 children. It was Avindra Pandey who had convinced Jyoti Singh Pandey to walk around the select city walk Saket. You could see the Jyoti Singh to my left and Arvinda Pandey to my right. Okay, now whether it is a good to walk in that way or not, that is only the God knows it. But anyway, the life is gone and everything is over. Okay, now the 24th question is, who kind the name Nirbhaya to the Jyoti Singh? Is the parents, Delhi government,
Sir, D,
government
sir.
of India, India media, Indian media.
D, Indian media, sir.
It is the Indian media made such a thing, Nirbhaya. And Nirbhaya, which means fearless, was a name coined by the section of the Indian media for the victim of the horrific Delhi gang rape on 16th December 2012. Okay. Next, 25th question. Dash of the Constitution of India makes it a fundamental right of every accused to be defended in the court of law. Article 14 also enforces the equal protection of law to everybody, and Dash article makes it duty of the government to ensure an accused is represented by a lawyer in the court. Which article says?
A, sir. Article 22 and Article 39A.
Repeat.
D.
It's the D is the right answer. Article 22 of the Constitution of India makes it a fundamental right to every accused to be defended in the court of law. Again, the Article 39A, capital A, makes it a duty of the government to ensure that the accused is represented by a lawyer in the court, even including the murder cases also. Okay, next, 26th. Dash is a proud lawyer who was responsible for delivering the justice to gang rape murder victim Nirbhaya. Murder victim Nirbhaya. Who is the liar?
Sir, C, sir. Seema.
Seema Samruddhi.
Yes, sir.
Mishi Chaudhary is the best one woman lawyer in India, in the Supreme Court. It is Seema Samruddhi. She is. Now the section 27, section 151 of the CPC provides for the exercise of dash to check the infringement of the process of the court. Abuse of the powers of the court, which happens in unfairness of the party, needs to get relief on the ground that the act of the court shall not prejudice anyone. What is that process? It is the judicial powers, executive powers, lawyers' powers, inherent powers. Section 151 of the CPC provides for the exercise of dash to check the infringement of the process of the court. Shoot, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter.
Sir, executive.
No,
D, sir.
it is a
Inherent, sir.
D, inherent powers. It has inherent powers to check the infringement of the process of the court, abuse of the powers, and so on and so forth. Yes, Nirbhaya finally gets justice. After dash, year after months, the 4 convicts of Nirbhaya were hanged in Tihar jail at 5:30 a.m. on Friday, 20th March 2020. How many years later the justice is given to her? 7 years?
C, sir. C.
No,
8 and 3 months.
Sir, A, sir. 6 and
No.
3.
no.
Sir, 7 and 3.
It is a 7 and 3, 7 years, 3 months. And who are these people? Heroes of rape. Mukesh, Vinay, Akshay, Pawan. See, for the momentary act, their life is spoiled. Okay, now next comes to the point, which is a false statement among 4. I say false statement. Can anybody will read? Can anybody will unmute and read?
Sir, 29, sir, which is a false statement among 4. A. Order 33 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908 provides for filing of a suit of an indigent person. It allows persons who are too poor to pay court fees. This order then allows them to institute suits or any appeal without payment of requisite court fees. B. A pauper suit is a suit where a person with unlimited means to live or a poor person is supported or assisted at public expense. C. An impecunious contestant is permitted to sue.
Contestant.
Sir,
An impecunious constant.
Okay, sir. An impecunious contestant is permitted to sue or defend without paying costs. D. An impoverished criminal defendant has a right to receive legal services without charge.
Which one is the false statement? Shoot. Sir, still we are reading, sir. Yes.
D, sir.
D, sir. D, sir.
No.
Sir, C, sir. C.
No. If you happen to
Yes,
see
sir.
the B, a pauper suit is a suit where a person with unlimited means or limited means.
Limited means,
Is
sir.
it a limited means or unlimited means?
Limited means, sir.
It is a limited means. That's why it is a wrong statement. Unlimited means to live or a poor person is supported or assisted a public expenses. The feedback is the B. A pauper is a suit where a person with a limited means. So that's why that is the right answer. Then the third question goes in this manner. These burdens of proof in criminal justice process are among 4, only 3, but 1 not. And what is one it is? A. The reasonable doubt standard. B. A reasonable proof. C. A probable cause. D. A reasonable suspicion. Which one is not connected with that burden of proof in the criminal justice process?
C, sir. Probable cause.
No.
A, sir.
No. Reasonable proof is not there. Reasonable doubt standard is there. Probable cause is there. Reasonable suspicion is there in the criminal justice system. But the word reasonable proof is not mentioned over there. But beyond the reasonable doubt is there again. Are you following me? Okay, next. So these are the 30 questions that I framed. These are majorly, especially 1 or 2 questions that I took it from the ready-made questions, but the rest of these questions are generated, coined, or bring to birth, or brought to, and it is a brainchild of the Professor Muhammad Sahib Hussain. Yes, still we do have the 5 minutes in our hand, but still I do have some other questions also with me. But meanwhile, I would like to give the suggestions to you. When you don't know the answer for that particular question, at that instance, leave the question. When you get the answer at the last moment, then you shoot them. Don't refer the bare acts. Because what is the surety that, what is the sure, how much the surety would be there? The bare act so and so question will be going to ask to you. It's a coincidence. No, sir, definitely they will ask one question from the bare act of the evidence. Okay, one question. What about the other? Sir, civil procedure code also they were going to ask, sir. Okay, civil procedure. Next, no, sir, criminal procedure code also there, sir, they will ask, sir. Okay. Then why not the other things? Arbitration and Conciliation Act, Bar Council India rules, Advocates Act, Law of Evidence Act, Indian Penal Code, Law of Contract Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Specific Relief Act. Please give me the answer. Give me the answer. How many acts
Sir,
are?
Sir, acts are easy, sir. But unknown cases are how to find the cases are difficult, sir.
If you become a parasite to refer in the act and you never succeed, what the case law is there, how it is decided. Generally, no one asks the case law which is unknown to the public. Everyone asks the case law which is cited in the website. Landmark case laws in the Arbitration Conciliation Act. Landmark case laws in the Law of Evidence. Recent cases of the 2021 of the Supreme Court in the IPC. Recent cases of the evidence in the IPC. are recent cases in the criminal procedure code. If you try in that way, that is the best method to make it out. See, with this, you earned only 70%, but I got 90%. That's why I told you, for selfish end, I am dealing the online classes. But how many are there? Because I believe in the slogan. What is my slogan?
అన్ని దానముల కన్నా విద్యాదానము మిన్న గొప్ప.
Say in English.
Sir, in all arms, education is the zenith, sir. Sir,
Yes, yes.
I think
That's
so.
yes, you're right. You're right. Yes. See, whenever you get a point, whatever the easy questions should be there, and you tick it. And once you tick it, don't go for the back again, because you will be confused. Once you tick it, don't again refer for it, because when you are sure about it, naturally you tick it in a proper way. But if you get again doubt, no, the tick one also you can erase it, you will make the wrong tick. Please don't do like that. When you say the ticked already, you never touch them, because I know your sixth sense definitely will say that is the right answer. But unnecessarily you get yourself in trouble when you go again and check it. You check those answers which you are not touched it, because that is only shoot answers. Read once or twice, then okay, now shoot out. Once you shoot out, never go again back, because it is like a, once you spit it, can you take it back, the spit? Yes.
No, sir.
In the same manner, once you take it, never work about, because there is no negative marks for you. Then why do you worry? Go to the next. Again you read. Use your applications. Use your equations. Use your mechanism. Use your data which you feeded you. Use your participation class. And use your memory. Use the things. Then you shoot. Which is seems to be the famous case law in your view among the four. Just like our A.V. Rao has shooted it. Sir, it seems to be a generally a known case law. That's why I shooted it. Yes, people will ask in that way only. A generally very much famous case law, they will ask in that way. So that is the best way to make it out. Otherwise, but if you take the bare acts, you will be in soup. That's why I don't suggest, because your mind will always bare act unnadi kada. At least once you refer it, when you refer it, you lose your time. After all, you are going to get only 40 marks, and those who are regular participants, I'm sure that they will get more than 60 marks. And please write a letter to the Bar Council of India. Sir, we would like to know our marks. Please send us personally to our email, to ours only, so the other person could not be known, and it should not be kept in the website. No, personally, because you want to test yourself how much you scored. At least it's the satisfaction to you. So that will be the quite good idea. Of course, if you ask them, there is no wrong at all. అడిగిందైనా అమ్మైనా
Petadu, sir.
పెట్టదు.